In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a pen holder with birch twigs. Materials needed are fresh birch twigs, colored metal wire, pliers and scissors. We start with 1 twig and 4 pieces of metal wire. Tie knots to form a spiral with the twigs. After a few rounds, add more twigs. I use the same technique on my other videos to make baskets and other decorations. When you reach the desired width, start bending the twigs upwards to form a 90-degree angle. Run out of metal wire, finish it off like this. Then add a new wire in the same place, like in the beginning. When you reach the desired height, it is time to form the last round of knots. Instead of tying new knots, just open the old knots and tie them again with the remaining twigs. Finish off the metal wires, twist them together and fold them inside. Then just trim the pen holder with scissors. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my channel for more ideas.